health and wellness enthusiast sharing tips for a happier, healthier life. Hi everyone, and welcome to 7 Energies Holistic Channel. Today, we're going to go over 10 basic meditation techniques for beginners. Meditation is a great way to calm your mind, reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Let's get started. Breath awareness. Focus on your breathing, taking deep breaths in and out. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Body scan. Start from the top of your head and move down through your body, noticing and relaxing each part as you go. Loving kindness. Sending positive energy and well wishes to yourself and others. Mantra repetition. Repeat a word or phrase, such as peace or calm, to focus your mind. Visualization. Imagine a peaceful scene, such as a beach or a forest, and focus on the details of the image. Sound meditation. Listen to calming sounds, such as ocean waves or bird songs, and allow them to soothe your mind. Movement meditation. Engage in gentle movements, such as yoga or Tai Chi, to bring awareness to your body and breath. Gratitude meditation. Think of things you are grateful for and imagine sending feelings of gratitude out into the world. Nature meditation. Spend time in nature, focusing on the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. Loving kindness for all beings. Sending positive energy and well wishes to all beings, including those who may have wronged you. Remember, meditation is a personal practice, and it may take some time to find what works best for you. Start with just a few minutes a day and work your way up from there. Thanks for joining us for this beginner's guide to meditation. We hope these techniques will help you find inner peace and calm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.